Nice paint, I like it. I don't know if the camera's gonna show the color correctly. It's like a very, very light brown. Very nice colors in here. Let's see. So the Brixton. There's your closet. And I'm Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And being construction trained is one of the many things that separates me from the other realtors, having that licensing and certification. I can help my customers better from start to finish, helping them to avoid construction defects that can be extremely costly along the way. There's your laundry room and the storage. It's a busy storage. This is also the sales office, so I'm not going to be going in that door. Full bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Oh, camera was leaning. I like this. I always like when the dining room is kind of in its own cove versus when everything's in like one rectangle. So this is nice, at least for me. And these tile floors, I like them. I like the color. A lot of upgrades in this kitchen, no doubt. You got the gourmet kitchen over here, and the gas. What is that? A broiler on the side? I don't think I've ever seen that. I feel like an oven like this is for somebody that has a business where they cook at home. Like this kitchen in general would be great for that, with everything it has. Because when you have an island that's wide like this, one of the messiest things that I remember from when I was young, I guess I was a teenager, was making pizza for work. And you know, you make pizza, it makes a mess, so you need a nice wide area. And this would be great for that. All right, let's continue. This is great too. I like this a lot. Now this I believe is an upgrade. I could be wrong, of course, but I think it is. And we got a bathroom here. So that must have been a master bedroom, because this is no doubt the master bathroom. Toilet in the closet. What is this? Oh, a towel closet. Oh, wow. And a lot of shelves. Look at this. This is fantastic. I wonder where they purchased this. Big shower, and it has rain shower head. It's got the body sprayer hose things and Check that out. Rain shower is usually an upgrade as well at the design centers. The design centers always have so many options. Yeah, this is great. That's solid filling glass. I don't think I opened this up, and this should be the pantry. Yeah, check that out. So let's talk about this house a little bit. I really like this kitchen. Of course, you'd have to purchase it like this and upgrade it a lot, but I really think it's great. And I love this over here. When the dining room table, let me angle this a little differently. When the dining room table is kind of here, I like that. That's nice. Nice big living room. That's a good house. Now they make this with a second floor from what I understand as well. Hopefully I could make a video of one of those too. And what do we have here? Yeah, the bedroom was here. So, the other great thing was that you had this bedroom with a bathroom